Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add, edit and modify tags on PDF documents. So in here, I'm going to use the WPS Office to edit the PDF because there is this feature called Edit PDF on the WPS Office. So let's just click on this buttons in here, edit PDF, and then choose the PDF file that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to edit this one. You can tap on open. Now the PDF file will be open on the new tab in here, and here you can choose the tags that you want to edit. For example, in here I'm going to add or modify this one. So if you want to delete, you can just if you want to edit, you can just double click on the text and modify it with the text that you like. So for example, I want to delete this here and I want to modify the text in here. For example, okay, for example, like this. Here you can also change the or adjust. I'm going to move the text first. Sorry, the image. This. I don't know why the alignment seems off. Okay, I'm going to just add text in here. You can click on add text and choose or type in the text that you want. I'm going to go in here. Example like this. You can click on edit PDF again. I'm going to move this text to the center. Just like this, and now let's move the image again. So that's basically it. That's how you can add, edit, and modify tags on the PDF documents. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.